Hey, I'm Jeremiah. This is Arvi, and we do digital signage. So if you want to do a digital sign for your business that somebody can see your product or solution at a distance, that you can install outdoor and people go, wow, and come into your business, it's actually not that easy right now. You have to do something like this here. This is actually a digital sign we retrofit in Vancouver. That it's geeky because you got to order up all these panels. Usually they're made over in Shenzhen in China, and then the back of these panels are very complex. They look like this. They're made by geeks for geeks. So we are introducing a much more elegant solution. I love this thing. You can get a briefcase, and in the briefcase is a couple of panels and the computer stuff you need. Pull a panel out, it has a handle, and then it's just simple. It's just shy of 2 feet wide by a foot high. It's exactly 480 millimeters by 270 millimeters. And the back of this thing is genius because everything is enclosed. So the power supply and the computer stuff and everything is just within this plastic enclosure. And then you just take the cables, boom, attach them to the next panel. So you can go from 2 panels, which is what comes in this briefcase, to a great big video wall. And the genius part about it is, let's take a look at the back of this thing again. See, there's these little lock things, 1, 2, 3, 4 lock things on the back. That makes it so that once you make your big wall and you need to service something, all you have to do from the front of the panel is take a pin and go pin, 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 and the thing pops off of the wall and you can swap it out. You can replace it faster. So this makes it so elegantly simple that any business that wants to attract people into their business and has some outdoor frontage to do some messaging needs to seriously take a look at this solution and call us, grab a briefcase, we'll send it to you. And if you're not absolutely wowed, you can send it back for full refund. But yeah, it's a genius solution for digital signage. Thanks for your time.